Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I have my two Ryobi flashlights, and I bought some LED upgrade bulbs for them, and these are from Ludopam. They're an LED conversion kit for 18 volts, and this is for pretty much any flashlight that's 18 volt that has a traditional light bulb in it. So this is for Ryobi, Milwaukee, Craftsman, and pretty much anybody. And this will work, so they say, between 6 and 24 volts. So we're going to try this out. So I've got the two flashlights here, and I'm just going to shine them on my board here, so you can see that there's the same amount of light output. We'll turn out the light. You can see how much light they have there. Okay, we'll take this off. So this should just unscrew. Okay, there's the reflector, and then this thing is, wow, that's neat. Okay, so that's just held into the spring. There's a spring in here. So we'll take this one out. We'll pull out the Ludopams. So these ones, I got these for $20 Canadian, and that included delivery. So they were $10 each, which is pretty expensive, but you know, you might find some cheaper. So I put that inside there. Oh, put the lens cover back on. Now, let's see the difference here. Wow. Now, with the lights off, you can see the difference. Alright, so I've tried the Ludopams, and I've compared the two of them, and it's not really that much brighter. It's a little bit brighter. It's more of a white light, whereas the LEDs are more of a white light, whereas the traditional incandescent bulbs are more of a yellowish tinge to them. The incandescent bulbs also illuminate for a wider field, but not very much wider, just a little bit. And they basically, it's around the same distance. Maybe the LEDs are slightly longer. You can see a little bit further, but not quite as wide. They're very comparable, the two. So it wasn't really an upgrade. I was hoping that it was going to be an upgrade, and like, I've seen people take these flashlights and put in a bigger LED, but you know, they've had to modify the flashlight, like put in a big heat sink and everything else. And my flashlights have to be dependable. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to switch to an LED light, was because I want them to be dependable, and I don't want to spend a lot of work upgrading something that will potentially fail, because if I'm working on something, I need a dependable light. So I just wanted something simple, something that's going to function properly. So, are the Ludopams worth the money? Probably not. The LEDs should last longer, but there's no guarantee. I've had the bulb in this forever. So, would I recommend them? Nah, maybe not. Maybe try a different brand and hope for the best. See if you can get higher than that 200 lumen rating, okay? But like I said, these ones are good for 18 volts, basically any brand of 18 volt flashlight. And they're good from 6 to 24 volts if you have the traditional style bulb, right? So, yeah, they're pretty simple. So you have your regular bulb, and then your incandescent, and basically what you want to do is make sure they're the same dimensions. Don't worry about the cap and the bulb, but it just has a little LED there, and then this has the incandescent with the filament inside. And so, you know, your filament's kind of fragile, it's easy to break, whereas the LED is very robust, and they should last a good long time. Yes. So like I said, if you can find a similar brand, which is the same size, it'll show you the size on these, and try to get more than 200 lumens. Try to double that, like 400 or 500 lumens would be even better, and see if that works. Anyway, just thought I'd give you that little update and what I tried to do with the conversion kit, the LED conversion kit. Alright, thanks for watching.